Hello everyone, I'm Jen from the Bachelor of Landscape Architecture as called as BLA program in NUS. Today I'll take you through my learning journey as a BLA student and what makes this program so exciting. A little bit about me, I came from Tampines Meridian Junior College, and when it was time to choose my university course, I had a big question. What career would allow me to pursue my interest in both art, geography, and nature, while also letting me creating a meaningful impact for our community? That's when I found landscape architecture. Since joining the program, I have met like-minded individuals who share the same interests as me. We participated in different studio projects and we got to learn through different field trips about different landscapes in Singapore, including both natural and built environments. My favorite part about my BLA journey was to explore different landscapes through hands-on and studio-based learning. So I'll share a bit more of some highlights of my learning journey so far. In year one, I participated in a land art project studio, and we got to build a real-life land art installation that responds to wind condition. My team and I was super excited to see how the people respond at the end when they interacted with our artwork and they engaged with it. During my second year, I had a wonderful opportunity to think and make a design for a Queenstown neighborhood. And my design was focusing on regreening that neighborhood and how to balance between ecology and community needs. This design won me the Public Interest Design Prize, which was thanks to my professor and his support throughout the project. Outside of class, I also took on a job, which is to maintain the school's edible garden, Nasi Ulam Garden, and it was fun to experiment with different plant species and see how it suits the local growth condition. We harvested a lot of edible species, which include bananas, tapiocas, and a lot of leafy vegetables. It was a really fun way to test out what we have learned in class. Moving on, I will talk about my overseas experience. I had a wonderful opportunity to go for exchange in the University of California in US, and because I was in BLA program, I've met like-minded people. I've met new friends from diverse backgrounds, and we've got to work on a project together. Outside of class, I also traveled to different cities. I've explored around town, and that really broadened my perspective on culture, design, and how it relating to landscape beyond just Singapore. During summers, I also participated in volunteering trips, and we've been to Vietnam, where we've got to interact with the local youth there through school lessons. And it was very eye-opening for me to see how the children react and respond to different constraints and how they really live their life. And that inspired me to take on their adaptability and optimism. Working as a team for this trip is really deepened my communication skills and leadership skills. And I also gained a lot of wonderful memories while making a meaningful impact for their local communities. Looking back, BLA has been one of my best decisions ever, and I'm so excited to share about my learning journey with you guys so far. If you are interested in design, nature, and also making a wonderful impact to our community, BLA might just be the right program for you. If you want to know more about Bachelor of Landscape Architecture, please visit this first link over here. If you want to know more about the other CDE programs, please visit the second link. Thank you.